Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of JZ classes. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of Disha's 33 years NEET previous year question papers of physics, chemistry and biology. So let us open and look at what are the contents of the book and how the descriptions given in websites match with the content of the book. Once again, I welcome all of you to JZ Classes book review. So let's open it. The packing is good. So let's check what are the contents of the book. So first we take the physics book. It includes question papers from 1988 to 2020. That is up to the present years. It includes 1760 MCQs and they claim that the questions are fully solved and it is done in an errorless manner. It is the 15th edition of this book. And what makes this book different from others? And they include chapter wise trend analysis with important topics and subtopics, questions arranged in 2020 to 1988 latest years first, and this includes 36 papers including Karnataka 2013, rescheduled 2015 and Odisha 2019 papers. Powered with tricks, tips and concept notes are also included. It also includes 2 years AIPMT main papers held in 2011 and 2012. So let us open the book and find what's inside. So the book 33 years NTA NEET chapter wise and topic wise solved papers for physics. The contents are given. Each chapter names are given and the chapter is divided into different topics. Each chapter is divided and all the chapters are divided like that, and the page numbers are given. And NEET FAQs, frequently asked questions, are given. What are the eligibility criteria for NEET? NEET counseling guidelines, NEET cutoff for top medical colleges, NEET results, mark versus rank for 2019-18, 2017. And now begins the chapter, physical world, units and measurements. So here the trend analysis with important topics and subtopic means how the questions are asked in various years. The number of questions asked in 2020 under a particular topic, and how was the question? Was it as an easy one, or the level of difficulty, the easy one, the average one, or the difficult one? And the number of questions are included here, and then each topics are given and the questions are given from 2020 to 1998 order. And the next topic, then we have errors and measurements, the last topic of first chapter, and the answer key is provided. After the answer key we have hints and solutions. The hints and solutions, as I say, they have more than these answers, they provided their special notes are provided. I think these special notes will help students in learning or to understand the concepts in a more deeper way. So they'll also help you to solve similar questions which may be asked in future in NEET examinations. Similarly, the second chapter, motion a straight line, is also given, and these questions are given in a topic wise manner. Hints and solutions are given, I think they have provided much diagrams, detailed diagrams are given for each questions. For physics questions, I think it will be more helpful for students. Neat diagrams are given and the markings are done in a good manner. Okay, so let us look at the chemistry book. Chemistry book also the same things. um, 31 chapters into 90 topics and rest remaining the same. So at first also we have contents. Each chapter is divided into many subtopics and they are given with good page numbers. And what you should know about NEET: merit list for 15% for all India quota seats, NEET try baking criteria, NEET 21 next year plan, major changes in NEET. Such kind of details are also given. And here begins the first chapter. Also the types of questions asked is easy one, average one, or difficult one, and the number of questions asked per year also provided. The topics are given, and the questions that come under the topics are given. Topic 2, topic 3 stoichiometric calculations, and at the end the answer key is provided. Hints and solutions are also provided. Detailed diagrams are given. Also special notes are given so that it may help you in solving the similar types of questions. They are given various chemical reactions and the structures of compounds in well manner. Also we have need diagrams for chemistry book also. I think all the steps are given for most of the problems. So similarly for all the other chapters, they are provided with hints and solutions, special types of notes, trend analysis, important topics and subtopics, all are given. So that's all about the chemistry book. So let us look at what the biology book has. As we know, the biology book has more number of questions, 3520 MCQs, and 38 chapters are divided into 120 topics, starting from the living world to the end, that is environmental issues. They are provided in the topic wise manner as we see in the chemistry and the physics book. NEET colleges, seats, intakes, list of AIMS colleges in India, NEET counseling guidelines, NEET cutoff for top medical colleges, and all such things are given. And the starting the living world, and as we seen in the chemistry and physics books, trend wise analysis is given, topic wise questions are given, the year is also mentioned, at the end answer key is provided, hints and solutions are provided with special notes, and that's all that. And similarly for all other chapters we have the same things. And actually what I'm doing is not a promotion of this book, and I want just to introduce the book to you. That's why I do this video, and I am not asking you to buy this book. You can decide what the contents of the book and will it be useful for me or not. There are several other books publishers are publishing 33 years previous year question papers, so you can decide which book to buy. So only buy one publisher's book, don't buy all the books of this previous year question papers. As you know, doing previous year question papers is really important in NEET. So buy any one of the good publishers book and it may help you in your NEET preparations. So I think you have understood, you have got an idea about this NEET previous year book published by Disha Publications. And do let me know your comments and suggestions about this video in the comment section. And let us see you in another video with a more beautiful topic. Thank you.